Redkey M1 Cordless Electric Spin Mop with Bucket. Self-cleaning, 60 min runtime, LED headlight, water spray, dual motor, 6 pads included. Make floor cleaning smarter, faster, and hands-free with the Redkey M1 Electric Spin Mop, the ultimate cordless floor cleaning solution for modern homes. Designed for effortless use across tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, and more. Whether you're mopping up daily dust, deep cleaning sticky kitchen stains, or giving your wood floors a fresh wax, the M1 adapts to your lifestyle and makes cleaning feel a lot less like a chore. Key features: self-cleaning bucket system, touchless cleaning. The mop head is cleaned and spin-dried inside the bucket, keeping your hands clean and dry. No more wringing, splashing, or dirty water spills. Includes 6 reusable microfiber mop pads. Large 250 milliliters water tank. Clean up to 2,200 square featuring on a single fill. Spray water at the press of a button for spot cleaning and deep mopping. Compatible with essential oil or floor-safe solutions for fragrance or extra shine. 60W dual motor and 250 RPM spin power. Built-in dual spinning motors rotate at 250 revolutions per minute, easily removing stubborn stains, grease, and pet messes. Strong enough for tough grime, yet safe for delicate floors, won't scratch wood or ceramic tiles. Adjustable 37 to 48.8, telescopic pole and 90-degree swivel arm. Fully adjustable handle height for all user types. Clean under furniture, behind toilets, or even high up corners and ceilings without bending. Ultra light body, only 3 pounds, makes it ideal for seniors or daily use. 60-minute cordless runtime. Long-lasting battery lets you clean large homes or multiple rooms in one go. Smart battery indicator alerts you when it's time to recharge. Quiet operation is less than or equal to 50 decibels, won't disturb kids, pets, or your peace. LED headlight and upright standing. Built-in LED light illuminates hidden dirt, hair, or dust in dark corners. Stands upright for leak-free storage, no wall mount required. Elegant, compact design fits easily in closets or utility rooms. What's in the box? Redkey M1 Electric Mop. Self-cleaning bucket. 6x microfiber mop pads. Charging adapter. User manual. Perfect for daily floor care in large or small homes. Pet owners tackling fur, paw prints, and spills. Seniors or anyone who struggles with heavy mops. Greasy kitchens and hard-to-reach corners. Cleaning under beds, couches, and tables. Bathrooms, entryways, living rooms, and more. Technical specifications. Feature detail. Motor power 60W dual motor. Spin speed 250 RPM. Water tank capacity 250 milliliters. Runtime up to 60 minutes. Noise level is less than or equal to 50 decibels. Weight 3 pounds, ultra light, handle length adjustable, 37 inches to 48.8. Swivel angle 90 degrees arm tilt. LED light yes. Self-cleaning yes, via bucket. Mop pads included 6, reusable and washable, floor types supported tile, hardwood, laminate, vinyl, marble.